Par Unicom, Cessna 5901 Alpha, back taxi runway 28, par.
01 Alpha, roger. No traffic at this time, 28 is the active.
Par Unicom 01 Alpha, departing runway 28, par.
Roger, 01 Alpha, number 4 to traffic, par clear.
Altimeter 3032, this approach runway 21 in use, notice their emissions. Runway 28 condition code 444, observed on 26 at 0344 Zulu. Taxiways Alpha, Delta, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, Juliet, Kilo, patchy ice and patchy compacted snow. Taxiway Bravo closed. All aprons, patchy ice and patchy compacted snow. Work in progress on the general aviation ramp. Unlit tower 2.3 nautical miles southwest of Parkersburg Airport, 1,100 feet MSL. The ILS and the PAPI for runway 3 out of service. Braking action advisories in effect. Discussion for deer, birds, and other wildlife vicinity of Parkersburg Airport. As this weather for the Parkersburg area available on flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact you have information. Victor.
Parkersburg Tower, Cessna 5901 Alpha, 10 miles northwest, inbound with information, Victor.
Cessna 5901 Alpha, Parkersburg Tower, right base runway 21, 42 miles from the airport. How the approach terminate?
Report 2 mile right base for runway 21, 01 Alpha.
Cessna 01 Alpha, verify you had 8, it's Victor. And how will your approach terminate? You full stop, or are you going to stay in the pattern?
We do have Victor. We'll be a full stop, just heading to the ramp, getting a bite to eat today, 01 Alpha.
That's always a good idea. This is 01 Alpha, use caution for bird activity. The right side of the approach end, about a half mile out, 200 to 300 feet off the ground. 2 larger birds.
Roger, thank you, 01 Alpha.
I said, got the shotgun ready.
Cessna 5901 Alpha, holding short, runway 21, ready for departure.
Cessna 5901 Alpha, Parkersburg Tower, runway 21, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 21, cleared for takeoff, 5901 Alpha. Parkersburg Tower, Cessna 01 Alpha, requesting right turn on course if possible.
Cessna 01 Alpha, that's approved. You can proceed on course.
Thank you very much. 01 Alpha. And Par Unicom 01 Alpha, downwind runway 28 par.